So initially, when the journey started, I was really not very comfortable with the sessions, because I think there was a shell actually, because I did not like speak much. There was a shell of respect, I think, because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मतलब कोई if somebody is very senior to me or something like that, तो I should not break that thing, and you should be in that shell actually. But these sessions are actually helping me personally and professionally also. So personally, I can connect to each all the things which I take back home actually. So I learned that keeping the respect, you can speak, you can keep your point. Okay, you can discipline, which I learned is actually a very important thing, and which actually I'm following now. And I think almost most of the task is finished if you follow discipline, because you learn how to manage your tasks. So that was one aspect. And yes, it has actually changed me personally also a lot, because now I know that there is a energy around you which you create it through your word, and that actually works for all the members who are there around you. So that's amazing, because now I'm more disciplined, I think. A year back I was not that much disciplined, but अभी मुझे पता है कि इस टाइम पे है तो इस टाइम पे होना ही. And now that changed, my family members also see. So yeah. So again, when we come to 10x, it is your personal growth also 10 times. So I feel I am more confident now with this exercises going on. And yeah, आज जो दो चीज़ें learn की है हमने, you should not manipulate the things, your work, your task actually. Either it is 0 or it is 1. Means either of both cases. आप उसको बीच में ना के, it's like you are kind of diverting yourself. So yes, it's really. अगर आपको if you want to know the answer of any question, go with the elimination thing actually. Eliminate the wrong answers actually. Then you will actually go with the correct answer. The correct path. Thanks a lot, Radical.